Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video we are going to answer the ARI evaluate daily quiz. So let's answer it together with you. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's get on our daily checking here. So congratulations, I've been getting a 30 ARI for a daily checking. So let's go for a quiz here. So the question of the day: what is considered the core technology of Web3? So the core technology of Web3, like here it is number 3, which is C. So without wasting time, blockchain. So congratulations, we have been getting a 30 ARI. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.